from about 5 feet right here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, now that hit hard. Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. These cases are by Supcase. As you can see, I got 3 of the same ones right here, and then one other different one right here. So this one to the left is the Unicorn Beetle style in navy blue. Like I said, these are by Supcase, and then these over here are the Unicorn Beetle Pro in 3 different colors. We got the blue, white, and the pink. So what we're going to do is take a quick look at these cases, see how they look on the device, and see how they fit as well, and how well the buttons work, how the cutouts are, see if they work with wireless charging. Then when we're done with all that, we're going to go ahead and make our way outside and do a little drop test to see how well they are going to protect your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this one over here to the left, like I said, is the Unicorn Beetle style in navy. Now this one does go for $14.99 on Amazon, and as for the other 3, going for $19.99, which isn't a bad price at all because it also comes with a little holster right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with the one at the left. This one isn't going to be as protective as the other 3, but it still feels like it is going to protect the device pretty good. It is a nice hard plastic, and you also get nice hard rubber edges inside. So let's go ahead and throw the phone in here. Let's see what it looks like. Pop it right in there. There we go. And look at that. So it's got a nice see-through back, so you can be able to see the beautiful backing of your device, especially if you have one of those cool colors in this phone. And you got a nice cutout at the top for the camera and the sensor. So if you happen to drop your phone flat on its back, hopefully no damage should be done to your camera. Now let's take a look around the sides. Nothing here. Other side, you do have they're not actually buttons, but they do give you nice little texture feeling right here, so you can be able to feel where your volume rockers are and the power button. So let's go ahead and check out the power button. Power button working good. Let me go ahead and unlock this. Kind of missed it there. Kind of hard to do this in back of the camera. There we go. And then we got the volume rockers. Volume rockers working good as well. They give you a nice little cutout up top for that speaker. Cutouts up top match as well. And then you got the cutouts on the bottom for the microphone, USB Type-C charging port, speaker, and then the S Pen. And the S Pen comes out with ease. It is not hard to get it out of there at all. And then they also give you a little cutout in case you'd like to put a lanyard on here, which is always pretty cool. But overall, the case feels very good in hand. It doesn't have any bulk or anything like that, feeling good, and it actually feels like it is going to protect your device very good. As you can see, we got some nice sized lips on the top and the bottom. So if you happen to drop your phone face down, the display should not touch any flat surface. Your phone should be protected from any cracks or scratches that may happen if you happen to drop this device face down, unless of course you're slamming your phone down from 10 feet up in the air. But other than that, you should be okay. Now, as far as being case friendly goes, it is case friendly. As you can see, I got the Whitestone dome screen protector on here, so there is a gap between the screen protector and the case. So it's not going to pop off that screen protector or anything like that. So this is screen protector friendly. We are going to go outside and do a drop test, like I said, with this. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here. So it's going to damage just as a regular display would if it does get any damage to it at all, such as scratches or cracks. So we'll be able to tell if this case is going to be able to protect that display or not. Now let's go ahead and check out wireless charging before we move on, in case you need to wirelessly charge with the case on. And boom, wireless charging is a go. So you don't have to worry about taking the phone out of the case in case you need to wirelessly charge. So let's go ahead and move on to the next case. All right, so like I said earlier, these are all the same exact cases, just all different colors. So we will go ahead and use this blue one right here for the demonstration. So you can see it does come with a holster, which is always nice. Let me get rid of this over here. And this is the holster right here, and it's got a nice soft fabric right here on the inside. So we'll go ahead and set that over to the side for now. But real quick, as you can see, this right here, you can also rotate it in case you need to clip it onto your pants in either which way that you want to. So that is always cool. Now we'll go ahead and set this over to the side, and this is the case itself. Now it is a 2-piece case. As you can see here, all you got to do is flip down the bottom, and then you're going to have to pull this piece of plastic out. This is the top, the frame that you're going to want to set on the device first. So let me go ahead and grab my Note 10 Plus, and then what you want to do is just make sure your phone snaps in there just like that, so it's on there pretty good. And then once you get that on there, you're gonna wanna go ahead and throw it in the shell. So let me go ahead and get this in really quick. All right, so it did take me a bit, but I did get it on there. It is going to be a little bit harder to get your phone in there only because it is this 2-piece fully rugged case. But as far as the buttons go, buttons work great on this. Let's go ahead and check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working good as well. So you can see, fits really good around all the edges. And I do have my screen protector on. I don't see the screen protector popping off or anything like that. So it does look like it is going to be screen protector friendly. Of course, as of now, once we do the drop test, I don't know. It's really close to the edges right here. So I don't know if my screen protector is going to end up popping up once we do go out there and do these drop tests, but so far it is looking good. So they also give you a nice cutout up here for the speaker, and then on the bottom you also got the cutouts for the microphone. You got a little flap right here for your charging port so you don't get any dust in there, and then you got the speaker cutout and the S Pen. Now taking the S Pen out isn't going to be hard. They give you a little gap right on the bottom right there to make it nice and easy for you to get it in there and get it out, as you can see there. Nothing on the right side. And then on the top, they give you precise cutouts as well. And then you get a nice deep cutout for the camera and the sensor. So like I said before, if you happen to drop it on its back, you should be all right with that. Your camera should be protected. Now you do get a kickstand with this case, which is pretty cool. So if you want to go ahead and stand up your phone while you're watching content or anything like that, or trying to keep time, or you can hold your phone like this if you're trying to watch some YouTube. So it's always cool to have a kickstand on these cases like this. But overall, it does add a bit of bulk to your phone, but that is because this is a really rugged case. It's really going to protect your device from those drops and falls. I'm really liking this color as well. And then up top, they give you a nice little carbon fiber just right here up at the top right corner. And then around the edges, you got a nice texture right here that's really going to help you keep it in hand. And then you got thicker corners and the top as well. And then it's got a nice deep lip on the top and the bottom. So if you happen to drop your phone flat down like that on the flat surface, your screen should be okay. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging really quick to see if it'll work with these thick cases. And I don't see the wireless charger coming on. Let me see if I can get it dead center, if it will wireless charge. And I don't see anything happening. Let me try another wireless charger really quick. Okay, so I went ahead and switched out the wireless charger to the official Samsung wireless charger. So let's go ahead and see if that one works. And it doesn't seem to be wireless. Oh, there we go. Wirelessly charging. So I don't know. Maybe something's not right with this charger. Maybe the coils aren't as big as the one we get on this one. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. This is the Samsung fast wireless charger. And there we go. So it does work with wireless charging. I don't know if maybe you're just going to have to use a bigger one like this in order for it to work. Like I said, for some reason, that one did not work. But with this one, it does work. So it is going to work with wireless charging. So like I said, all of these other cases are exactly the same. You get a white and gray one looking really nice as well. And then you get a pink and gray one right here as well, which all the ladies are probably going to love. But honestly, I am really liking this blue color right here. It doesn't look bad at all. So now that we went ahead and took a look at all these cases, let's go ahead and go outside and do a little drop test. All right, so we have made our way outside. As you can see, this is the real device. No, I am not using a fake device. Just so you know, I did spend my own money on this phone. This is not a sponsored video, although I probably should have asked if they would sponsor this video before I do this drop test in case anything happens to the phone. But oh well, let's go ahead and do this drop test. We're going to start off with the unicorn Beetle style right here. So let's go ahead and do this. This is about a 3-foot drop right here in 3, 2, 1. Boom, and I felt it hit the corner pretty hard, so I doubt any damage was done to the display. No scratches, no cracks, everything's looking good. Let's go ahead and do it one more time, but this time from about 4 feet. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that hit hard. Now, it does feel like the edges are actually really hard, so they're really going to protect the device from those hard drops like that. Although the S Pen, it did pop out, if you can see here, kind of hard doing it one hand. S Pen did pop out, so you're just gonna have to pop that right back in there. You should be all right. But let's go ahead and do it one more time from about 5 feet right here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, now that hit hard. Now I'm curious to see what this tempered glass screen protector is gonna look like. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and it actually looks good. No cracks, no scratches. Let me go ahead and check out functionality. The phone is still working good. Look at that, still functioning good as always. So this case is definitely going to protect your device from any falls. Like I said, that was about a 5-foot drop right there. So let's go ahead and move on to the next case. All right, so moving on to the next case, the Unicorn Beetle Pro, the big boy, the one that's really going to give your device that good protection, nice and thick. So let's go ahead and drop it from about 4 feet right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. It doesn't seem to be any damages done to the display, anything like that. No cracks, no scratches. The camera seems fine. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. About 5-foot drop right here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, so the S Pen did fall out. Look at that. Popped out pretty good. But I don't see any damage done to the S Pen. It just popped out. So let me go ahead and slide this S Pen right back in there. There you go. Clicks in nice and good. So as far as the display goes, I don't see any damage done to the display. No cracks, no scratches. Seems to be functioning just fine. Let me go ahead and unlock this. There we go. Functionality is still good. So you can see there, working good, working great. Now it looks like the case did kind of come apart right there. All you got to do is just kind of snap it back in there and you're ready to go. So we'll go ahead and try it one more time. Like I said, that was about 5 feet. Let's do it one more time. 5-foot drop. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, now that did hit the display pretty hard. Let me go ahead and check it out. Look at that. Now, just as sorry, I lost focus there, but just as I predicted earlier, the screen protector did kind of pop off right there on the top corner. I'm trying to focus here, I'm sorry about that. It did kind of pop off on the corner right there. Let me go ahead and turn the screen on. There we go. So as you can see there, it developed a little bit of air bubbles. There's no cracks or anything like that, no scratches, but it did develop air bubbles. But so far, it looks like it protected the device very well. Let's go ahead and go inside. That way we can check out the back, make sure no damage was done to the back of the device. All right, so we have made our way back inside. And as you can see here, the phone is still looking as beautiful as ever in the back. No cracks, no scratches. I was trying to get a close up earlier, but it's really hard to get it focused on the back of this device because of how reflective it is. As you can see there, let me see if I can get it to focus here. There we go. So as you can see, no cracks or scratches were done to the back of this device. So those cases are definitely very protective, and I was also able to push out the air bubbles that were here at the top. As you can see, there's just a little bit right there, but for the most part I was able to push it out. So the screen protector is still looking good. Everything is looking good. Very protective cases right here. So if you find yourself interested at all in any of these cases right here, I will make sure to throw some links down in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself. But let me know what y'all thought about this case review. Let me know what you thought about the drop test and what other cases that you all want to see on the channel. But if you did like this video, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, thank you so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.